Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your college email password, ensuring your digital security. Protecting your academic and personal information online is critically important, and regularly updating your password is a fundamental step. A strong, unique password prevents unauthorized access, safeguarding your sensitive data from potential threats. This simple process helps maintain your privacy and academic integrity throughout your studies. Once you are logged into your college email, begin by looking for the Settings or Preferences option, usually marked by a small gear icon in the top right corner. Clicking this will open a menu where you should find sections like Security or Account Management. Within these areas, you will typically see a clear link or button labeled Change Password. This path leads you directly to where you can update your security. When creating your new password, aim for at least 12 characters, incorporating a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. It is essential to avoid using personal information or common dictionary words that are easily guessed. A good strategy is to use a memorable passphrase, perhaps 3 or 4 unrelated words, making it much stronger. This layered approach ensures your password is robust and difficult for anyone else to decipher. After entering your new password twice to confirm it, make sure to click Save Changes or Update Password to finalize everything. It is a good practice to log out of all active sessions on every device you use to access your email immediately afterward, especially if you have been on a public computer. For even greater security, explore enabling two-factor authentication if your college offers it. This simple step adds a vital second layer of protection to your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.